Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let us see the animation which is based on Lysergius curve in Python. Lysergius curve is used in engineering experimental tests to determine if a device may be properly categorized as a MEM resistor. It is also used to compare two different electrical signals, also used in graphic designs and in modern art. The animation showed here is the curve adaptation with continuously changing A by B fraction in steps of 0.01. Import matplotlib animation and numpy packages and create the basic plot with face color set as cyan and plot with 0, and call the show so that we have it displayed on our screen. So we have the basic plot displayed with cyan set as the face color. Now we will go on and see how to implement our animated Lysergius curve. For that, the parametric equation of Lysergius curve is x equal to a times sine at plus d and y equal to b times sine bt, and here we will take a equal to b equal to 1 and d as 0, and the other three variables a, b and t are variable. Let me take t as ranging from minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. We will take 500 samples between this range using linspace, and b equal to 1 and a equal to 2. Now having set t, a, b which are variable parameters, the parametric equation becomes x equal to sine of at and y equal to sine of bt, as already a equal to 1 and b equal to 1, d equal to 0. So we have xy parameters set which is variable based on the value of t. And now we will plot by passing x and y and set the RGB parameter of our lines as E0, 20 and 50 with line width as 5. This is going to be a simple Lysergius curve with a equal to 2 and b equal to 1 based on the parametric equation. Now on execution at this level, we got the one form of Lysergius curve with two lobes horizontally and one lobe vertically. This is because we have set a equal to 2 and b equal to 1. Now to get the animated version, we will do it by calling function animation, which is provided by the animation package in Python. So by calling animation function animation, we will pass figure as the first parameter and animate, which we will soon define the function animate, which can take the frames as the parameter, and the frames shall be drawn at an interval of 20 milliseconds with blet set as false. So we are calling animation function. The thing is, we have to define the function animate, which will take the frames as the parameter. Define function especially has to redraw the plot. So here x and y are the parametric equation which are passed to the plot. So we will have the animate function by taking frames as the parameter, that is I, based on which x and y parameter shall be varied as a function of I. As mentioned, x and y shall be varied as a function of I. So instead of having a fixed value for a, we will handle inside the animate function. But here I am going to do a check. If the value of I is less than 500, a shall be a function of b times 0.01 times of I. Otherwise, that is, if I is greater than 500, a is a function of b times 0.01 1000 minus I. The first if loop will move the animation in the forward direction until 500 times. The else loop will move the reverse plots and from 501 to 1000. As we remember, frames is the parameter passed to animate function which takes values from 0 to 1000. So our animate function will be moving forward for first half values of the frames and remaining half it will move in the reverse direction. So we will have the fully closed animated loop. And one more point is, before drawing the plot, each time we have to clear the screen. So we will call clear method before plot. And our plot is as usual, which takes x and y with the C RGB parameter set with line width of 5 and return the function. Now we have our animate function. Let us execute and see how we are getting our animated Lizarius curve. Yes, we got the special animated Lizarius curve which is obtained by changing the ratio of A by B in the range of 0.01. Now once again trying to understand our implementation. The important function here is the animate function, but from the beginning we have imported the matplotlib and numpy, set the face color as cyan and the parametric function x and y which is slightly modified considering a equal to b equal to 1 and d is 0